welcome to FuturePrint TV. We're at the Imprint show in Munich, and I'm joined by Dirk Exner from Phoseon Technology. Thanks for joining us, Dirk. How's things today?
Things are great. It's the first time after a long time to be at a live event again, a trade show. It's good. It's good to be here.
Yeah, and the Imprint show has always been about collaboration and a good networking event and an event where people talk about their projects and so on. Tell us a bit about what you're hearing in the market and how well Phoseon are doing. Is the market growing? Is it suffering? What kind of position would you say we're in?
We see it growing. A big part of our business is OEM business, so we're supplying machinery manufacturers, printing presses, inkjet machines, all kinds of things. And what we've been seeing is that in 2020 everybody had a dip, but throughout 2021 we saw more than just a recovery. So what we're seeing is that order books of our customers are full, their productions are booked, there's demand. I think many companies have held back investments through the Corona crisis. And now they're back and trying to catch up with investments and getting to the latest technology. And we also saw that very obviously, as far as I can judge it, people took their time during the Corona crisis. Some of the daily workload was gone, and they took their time to consider new ideas, have new thoughts, and many new development projects were started. Many new ideas are around for digital print and inkjet. And this will, at some stage, with a delay, give a push to the industry. We'll see new applications, new products, new machines. So it has been a very difficult time, but I think also a creative time, and there are other ways of communicating. And there has been a quite positive impact on the willingness to change and to new things, different things.
So you think some of the barriers to change have been pulled down by the fact that we've all had to adapt and
yes, absolutely,
and look at things differently?
We have seen certain developments towards digitization before COVID, but I think this has accelerated a lot of things. Supply chains, fast deliveries, ability to be more flexible. I think the whole difficult situation we're in really expedites our industry.
Keyword expedite, it's a good word there. It kind of makes things quicker, doesn't it? And with that in mind, of Phoseon, you yourself have found that you've been innovating a lot. Have you showing some new products this year? Tell us a little about what you have available.
Yeah, so the way we have been working, of course, has changed. Safety first, so Phoseon took a lot of care for the employees. We didn't have any infections inside the company, so the way we have been working internally has been different during that time. But we didn't sleep. I mean, development went on, and we're trying to accommodate for the new things that are coming. And we keep developing products. I think it's not a good place to speak about what products and technologies we're working on. I think at the end of the day, we're very customer and application focused. So we're trying to listen to the customer, what the application is, what the requirements is, and then work on a solution from that end, rather from a product offering standpoint. So yes, there are new products. We're also working on new exciting technologies, so we can utilize the LED technology in certain life sciences applications. We're also working on different wavelengths in the NIR or UVC, which can change the industry and the way we do UV curing. But it's not about products, it's about solutions for the customers.
Okay, very good. On that note then, you said in the in the panel discussion that sustainability is obviously a big deal, and also fuel shortages, meaning power is just more costly for manufacturers. I hear that's having some of your technologies actually really suits that. Is that correct?
Yes, I mean, we have been talking it for a long time, and for many customers it has been a priority, it has been a topic to cut energy costs, to save energy, to reduce carbon dioxide emissions. But it's getting more and more momentum from that end, but also from the end of the current situation where energy prices are rising and we see a shortage of energy. It's becoming more and more important, and we have customers calling us and asking, we need to reduce our energy cost. It's going through the roof. We need to do something about it. So the topic has always been around, but it's getting a lot of momentum from different sides now.
Yeah. Sadly, for the reason of Ukraine adding more weight onto the prices of oil and fuel. Just to finish, really, I mean, we're at Imprint, people come with ideas and they come with the problems that they want technology and inkjet to provide a solution to. What piece of advice would you give anybody that's at the beginning of their inkjet kind of journey?
Think it through, think it from the end. What do you want to accomplish? What are the commercial goals? And then work it back to the beginning and make sure you got the right resources in place. You have an understanding of what it takes to accomplish the goals, both from a commercial resource and technical standpoint. And understand that's a system. It's not a combination of individual components. It's a system and it's a process. And as it's a system and a process, you need to bring all the parts of the process together to make it work. It's very important to be open and address issues. It's usually not off the shelf. You need to fine-tune the components and the system to make it work for a specific application.
So from what I understand, it's about mindset, openness, collaboration, communication, talk, listen, maybe listen more. Yeah, brilliant. Okay, well, thanks so much for that. Great to catch up with you. And I hope you have a fantastic rest of your show.
Thank you. Same to you.
Thank you.